It's pretzel time. Ingredients you're gonna need: 1.5 cups of lukewarm water, 1 huevo, 3.5 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, either or, rapid rise or dry active yeast. You can mixing bowl, a spoon, a sheet pan with some parchment paper on it, and a 425-degree oven. The yeast first, sugar, salt, stir that joint up. Then add about half your flour and stir still smooth. Until it looks like this. Then add your remaining flour, but hold some back because you might not need it all. Mix it till it comes together like this. Start mixing by hand. Something like this. At this point, we start kneading that dough, baby. Your dough looks like this. Move that dough over to a floured work surface. Cut that bad boy into 4 to 6 pieces. Roll them out to however long you want. The bigger the better in my opinion, right? Until you got about a 2-foot snake, am I right guys? Turn your snake into a ribbon. Bring up one side, smash her down. Bring up the other side, smash her down, and babushka, got yourself a pretzel. Then take your huevo, crack that in a bowl, whip that joint up. Whip that up, Rick. Once they're thoroughly coated in liquid chicken, just take some kosher salt. Always salt, sprinkle on your pretzel. And for those with a little flavor, everything bagel seasoning. Put them in the oven. Goodbye. 10 minutes. Once they bake for 10 minutes, they'll come out looking like this. Set your oven to broil or the highest that it will go. Back in for another 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown and delicious. After about 2-3 minutes, they come out golden brown and delicious. Woo! And there you have soft pretzels.